Welcome to Active Trader Setup's Trading and Charting Package, where we're going to introduce you today to our ATS Bar Chart Trader and our ATS Inflection Points. Our Bar Chart Trader can be programmed any way you want to set it up off our candles, and you can name the buttons anything you want to name them. You can trail this whole run up or the whole run down with a constant trailing long order for the reversal candle when it occurs to take you long or to take you short. It will follow the candles and only put you in a trade on the reversal trigger. And our all new inflection charts, these lines are on the charts prior to the candlesticks arriving. They're not plotted after they leave. They're plotted well before they get there. They go back as far as 10 days. You can trade your chart, your watch list, your symbol list on our charts. It'll plot the same lines for your symbols as it does for the ones we trade every day. So you finally got a way to find your own trade and quit following these folks that's not getting you where you want to be. Learn the setups, make your own decisions on your trade. Trade management system. This will also trail these bars to keep you in the trade longer and stop you out when the reversal occurs against your trade. You can run them on a trailing stop. You can run them on a hard stop and adjust your stop manually. You can have a profit target that you can move manually up and down on the charts. It'll stay where you put it. And also you can do a scale out. There's 3 different scale out options. You can use one or all 3. The new features in the package include semi-auto trade reversals where you can take inflection points. You can set the bar chart trader for a short reversal trail, and if it reverses here, it will take you short. This was an inflection point as well. It didn't reverse there. If you had chose to set the auto trader button to trade there, it would have not put you in a trade and continued on, and you turn it back off. It's our new indicator, the ATS bar trader for NinjaTrader 8. You can auto trail those bars up for your reversal entries as well, and use it for stops, scaling out, profit targets, and so forth. Awesome trade management. So what you could have done is this stock was heading up. You could have anticipated a reversal. You could have set a trailing stop short trade right here, and every bar as it continued up, it'll move that up. It knows what it's going to take to reverse this bar. It'll be trailing 2 bars back, and when this bar closes and this one opens, it would put you in a trade, whether it be here, here, or here once you set it. One of our newest indicators is our inflection points. These are plotted intraday as well as multi-day. This is a intraday session cloud, and our inflection point lines. This line was on the chart in the most recent 2 hours of trading, as well as these others were created at different times in the last 24 to 48 hours. These lines that you see on the chart were there well before the candles got there. These are our daily inflection points. One is drawn on the chart for every day. It goes back 10 days. So the white lines are the most recent. This particular one was going back 3 days behind in history. These others were even beyond that. And you can see how these inflection points that we plotted multiple days ago, been on the chart every day since they were plotted. They stay there for 10 days. You can see this morning, this particular stock sold back down early after 9:40 a.m., came right to the inflection point, looks like within pennies, and reversed off of it. Sold up through this inflection from 3 days ago, continued on up into another older inflection point, and within pennies there. You can see how these inflection points can set you up for great trade setups, and you can set your bar chart trader to put you in the trade on the reversal bar, or you can take it earlier with a tighter stop. So be sure to subscribe to our channel while you're here, and that's YouTube www.daytradersetups.com will take you over to our channel, and you can stay tuned for many new videos, training sessions on our new indicators. So if you're ready to take control of your trading, head over to activetradersetups.com, where you can browse and see more about our trading package and our charts. You can click on features and go over to the features section. You can go to the registration section and find out more about what we're doing over at activetradersetups.com. Thanks for watching our video. Look forward to hearing from you soon.